Welcome to Kids Edutainment. Please click to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on new videos. Subtraction is like magic. Imagine you have 5 yummy cookies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
But a hungry puppy comes and eats 3 of your cookies.
3
minus
3
equal. Now you have 2 cookies left.
1, 2.
Subtraction is just like sharing or taking away. The answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. And we use the symbol for subtraction, which is called minus. This is Jack. Say hello to Jack. Jack have 8 caps. He just give away 5 of it. 8 minus 5 equals 3. That's subtraction. Now let's check out another example. Anne and Pam is a good friend. Anne has 9 candies with her. She shares 4 candies with Pam.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's check the remaining candies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The answer is 5. Let us take another example. There is an ice cream cart. Now let us see how many ice cream cone available. Seven pieces of cone available. Three pieces of cone are sold. Let's check the remaining. Yes, the remaining balance is 4. Thanks for watching.